Welcome, explorers, to a world where sunlight and shadow sculpt ancient sands into breathtaking art. Today we journey across the globe to discover the most photogenic deserts on Earth, places where light transforms emptiness into pure visual poetry. From crimson dunes to surreal rock formations, these arid wonders are grand canvases of resilience and beauty. Ready your senses and your camera as we set out to capture the soul of these enchanting, sun-scorched realms. Our adventure into Earth's most captivating deserts begins now. Our first stop, the Sahara, the world's largest hot desert, stretching across North Africa. Imagine an endless ocean of golden dunes, sculpted by wind and time, glowing orange at dawn and deepening to rose at dusk. Life here endures against all odds. Dromedary camels traverse the sands, their silhouettes timeless against the horizon. Nomadic tribes like the Tuareg and Berber have mastered this harsh land, their vibrant cultures woven into the desert's story. As night falls, the Sahara reveals a sky ablaze with stars, temperatures dropping dramatically, a world of extremes. For photographers, every moment is a new composition, sweeping landscapes, intricate sand patterns, and the interplay of light and shadow. The challenge is to capture not just the beauty, but the immensity and spirit of this ancient land. The Sahara is more than a desert, it's a living canvas of endurance and awe. Each frame tells a story of survival, tradition, and the raw power of nature. Here, the ephemeral and the eternal dance in the shifting sands. To photograph the Sahara is to freeze a moment of wonder in a landscape that never stands still. Let your lens seek the stories written in sand and starlight. Next, we travel to the Namib, one of the world's oldest deserts, where fiery red dunes meet a sky of endless blue. The Sossusvlei region boasts some of Earth's tallest dunes, their rust-red peaks offering panoramic views of a sculpted sea of sand. Trevelis, a white clay pan dotted with ancient skeletal trees, stands in stark contrast to the vibrant dunes, a haunting, iconic scene. Wildlife thrives here, oryx, springbok, and even fog-basking beetles, each adapted to this harsh, beautiful world. The Namib's light is magical, especially at sunrise and sunset, painting the landscape in shifting hues and dramatic shadows. For photographers, every angle offers graphic compositions, cracked clay, gnarled trees, and the sharp crests of distant dunes. The challenge is to find new perspectives in a land already famous for its surreal beauty. The Namib is a reminder of Earth's ancient past and the resilience of life. Its scale, starkness, and ethereal light create a photographer's paradise. Here, every image is a story of time, desolation, and enduring wonder. We cross the Pacific to Chile's Atacama Desert, one of the driest places on Earth and a haven for both landscape and night sky photographers. The Salar de Atacama's salt flats shimmer under the sun, attracting flocks of flamingos, vivid pink against a pale, cracked Earth. Valle de la Luna, or Valley of the Moon, offers lunar-like vistas, jagged peaks, sand dunes, and mineral outcrops painted by the setting sun. At dawn, the El Tatio geysers erupt in columns of steam, creating ethereal scenes against the Andean backdrop. But it's after dark that the Atacama truly shines. Its high altitude and clear air reveal a night sky ablaze with stars and the Milky Way. Major observatories dot the desert, drawn by its unparalleled clarity. For photographers, the Atacama is a dual wonder, surreal geology by day, cosmic spectacle by night. Each shot is a meditation on silent scale and the universe above. Here you capture not just landscapes, but the very edge of the cosmos. The Atacama is a pilgrimage for those seeking the extraordinary on Earth and beyond. Let your camera bridge the worlds of stone and stars. Our journey leads to Jordan's Wadi Rum, the Valley of the Moon, a landscape of towering sandstone mountains and sweeping sandy plains. Wind and time have sculpted these jebels into dramatic shapes, their colors shifting with the sun. As dusk falls, the desert glows gold, then reveals a night sky ablaze with stars, far from city lights. Wadi Rum is home to the Bedouin, whose traditions and hospitality offer a window into desert life. Sharing a meal in a traditional camp, listening to stories under the stars, is an experience as rich as the landscape itself. The desert's cinematic beauty has graced films like Lawrence of Arabia and The Martian, and every vista feels like a scene from an epic adventure. For photographers, Wadi Rum offers grand panoramas, intricate rock details, and the interplay of light and shadow. Including a human figure or lone tree gives scale to the monumental cliffs. Here you capture not just images but the spirit of resilience and timeless wonder. Wadi Rum is a living testament to the bond between people and the wild. Our final stop is Egypt's White Desert, a surreal expanse of chalk formations sculpted by wind into fantastical shapes. These ghostly white rocks, remnants of an ancient seabed, rise from ochre sands like mushrooms, icebergs, or abstract art. The interplay of light transforms them, dazzling by day, glowing with subtle hues at dawn and dusk. Camping overnight reveals a silent, star-filled world where the formations seem to glow in the moonlight. The White Desert invites creative photography, minimalist compositions, dramatic contrasts, and playful use of shape and shadow. Night brings opportunities for long exposures and light painting, turning the landscape into a dreamscape. Here, isolation and beauty inspire images that are both otherworldly and deeply peaceful. The White Desert challenges our idea of what a desert can be. It's a place of wonder, inviting us to see nature's artistry in every curve and contour. This ethereal landscape is a fitting finale to our desert odyssey. Let your lens capture its dreamlike essence. As our journey ends, we're left with a tapestry of unforgettable desert images, each landscape a testament to resilience and beauty. These deserts are not empty, they're vibrant, alive with stories, textures, and the play of light. They challenge and inspire us, reminding us of nature's raw power and artistry. Which desert calls to your lens first? Share your thoughts below and join us, Trevelis, for more journeys across Earth's stunning wilds. Until next time, keep exploring and keep your camera ready.